go to the module. Under this module, asset management. Here you have the workspaces in the slides of maintenance requests. So you can go in and see all the upcoming maintenance requests, and you can see once the maintenance request becomes a work order, what the actual work order status is. Within this module, you can see all of your assets, which would be a CNC machine, possibly, depends on how you want to set this up. So we do not have anything there. Go back. So all of your assets, your active assets, so these are really your machines that have that scheduling. You can schedule specific, you know, every time it runs for 1,000 hours, schedule maintenance. So with that ability in this workspace, you can come in, so go back to the slide. You can see my slide here. You can see that the different work orders, the start date, the current life cycle state, the description, and the functional location. So all of this can be set up to monitor. So this will really help a manufacturing manager to come in and take a look at this and see, all right, I have my machines up, or I've got, these are my machines that are down. The machines that are down, let me see when the expected time they're going to be up and running again. Do I need to make a decision to say, all right, well, I'm using this machine and these resources, do I have to shift them to meet my production schedule? So on top of resource lifecycle and asset work order management, you know, the tools to see what machines, capabilities, capacity are things flowing as they can to meet that production schedule. So this is really the work order management in D365. Asset work orders and maintenance schedules can be utilized to plan or adjust for downtime in the manufacturing process. So as you can see, we have these, and there's maintenance, downtime, all of these options. I could click on each one of these, but we would be here for quite some time to understand all of those maintenance orders, where they're at, when they plan on being done, and as well as there's functionality to go in and look at assets to see if they have a common issue of breaking down during a certain time frame, or you know, usage, and what the root cause are, so you can go back as a manager to help determine preventative maintenance and things that need to take place to stop the occurrence of machine downtime.